Hi everyone, my name is Chris and I'm from Need for Spread. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video: binary options versus Forex trading, binbotpro versus crypto masterbot 2, which is the best in 2021. And first thing first, I want to tell you Happy New Year to everybody, because I didn't saw you in this year. I didn't make any video because I was out in a short vacation. Short, I mean longer vacation on I think 3 weeks or more. I've been in the mountains on skiing. It was very relaxing. I hope everybody is well, and let's prepare for 2021. In this video, I make a comparison between those two trading softwares. One is trading binary options, which is binbotpro, and the other one is trading Forex and crypto, and it is Crypto Masterbot 2. And if you want to see what's all about, it will be a live video. Stay here until the end of this video, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. So that being said, let's jump into the video. All right, everyone. So hopefully you've put your New Year's resolution for this year, and I hope it will be how you expect. So in today's video, I will make a live trading session using two trading softwares that I've been using in 2020, and one is Crypto Masterbot 2 and the other one is binbotpro. binbotpro is trading binary options and the other one is trading Forex and crypto. So let's see which one is better to use in 2021. At the end of this video, you'll see the results, and you can decide which one to use in this year in order to accomplish your financial goal. So far, I've made some withdrawals with Crypto Masterbot 2. So for this point of view, this is a trusted software. As you can see, my balance is 16,375, and my total profit is 16,375, and the current balance is 6,375. So I've made an withdrawal of $10,000. I will put a video somewhere here in order to watch the withdrawal. So the other one, I've made several withdrawals also, and as you can see, the balance. That's why I decided to make a comparison between those two, because at this moment the balance is quite the same. $6,292.31 into binbotpro. And what will happen, you will see the difference between these two trading software is that binbotpro, it is an automated trading software. All you have to do is to choose from here a robot from top 10 robots that are already made for you, or you can create your own robot. As you can see, I did here these 4 robots: Chris Bragney, Force 3, NFS, and Test 1. And you have to choose a robot. For example, I will choose RSMA Cross and X Profit for today, and it's trading these particular assets here. All you have to do is to click on the run button, and it will choose the asset that it will find the best entries in the market. On the other hand, Crypto Masterbot 2, you have to pick a signal from here. As you can see, here we have a lot of signals, and you have to pick manually a signal. Click on the trade button on each asset, on each pair, and it will automatically place the trade into your broker account. As you can see, my broker is Investus, and here is my account with Investus. As you can see, the balance is reflected here, and it will automatically place the trade into your broker account. You don't have to be afraid about take profit, stop loss, and lot volume. It will automatically set for you this parameters into your account, into your broker account. Now we have to do here on CryptoMasterBot 2 some settings here. From for example, here we have stop loss and take profit, daily stop loss and take profit. I will set it here on 250. Also, I will trade only flat currencies, not cryptos. So let's uncheck these boxes here with cryptos. Also, I will check this button here, short term. As you can see, range success, range changed, and here let's put 20 2000 and max for a trades 20, and click on save changes, and all changes are saved. Also, as you can see here on CryptoMasterBot 2, you have free plans that you can join. It's 250, 500 and 1000. My recommendation to you is to start with 250, see how it works, and then you can grow your account. But I understand that in some countries the brokers will, in order to be able to join CryptoMasterBot 2, they require you to deposit the minimum $500. Most of them requires 250, but there are some which requires 500. That's no problem, you can go on. And as you can see, now we have here this trading box. This trading signal box is populated with signals, with the best signals in the market. We have here this with green, it's the expiry time of the signal. I recommend you to choose only the green and yellow signals, because you don't want to trade a signal which expires in 1-2 minutes. And so my recommendation to you, I already did it, go to investing.com and check the economic calendar in order to see which assets are on Freestar News. Freestar News means that there is a big volatility in the market, so you have to avoid those pairs. Don't trade those pairs. Yes, trade only the pairs which are not with Freestar News under big volatility. So that's being said, that's all I have to say about CryptoMasterBot 2. In my point of view, I prefer CryptoMasterBot 2 because I have more control over it. On binbotpro, you only have to choose the robot here and then click on run, and then the robot will choose everything for you. You don't have any control. So let's see now, let's start the robots, and let's see which one delivers best results for 2021. So let's choose RSA make cross here and click on run, and also let's choose X profit and click on run. So we have, as you can see here, we have active 2 robots. All right, let's go back to CryptoMasterBot 2 and let's choose some signals from here. First, don't forget to click this trading button on to put it on, because otherwise it will not work. And let's start choose Euro GBP and click on trade. As you can see, we have the open trades here: AUD USD, GBP USD, US dollar Swiss franc, Canadian dollar Japanese yen. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades. Euro Canadian dollar 6 trades. And let's choose AUD Swiss franc. So I think it's enough for the moment. We have 7 trades. The balance, as you can see here, has decreased because it's using $250 per trade. And when these trades will be done, will be finished, we will see here on the profit, the daily profit, because it's set to show only the daily profit, not the overall profit. So I know that in my these are 2 trading software that are really easy to use. I told you that I prefer CryptoMasterBot 2 because I have more control over it. this is your let's see now which one delivers better results. From my experience, I know that it will take some time in order to close those trades, so I will be back with the results with today's trading session. So stay here, don't go anywhere. I'll be back in 1 second. All right. So I'm back, and I want to see you when these trades will be finished on live. So as you can see, with CryptoMaster Bot 2, we already have 3 trades which are winning trades, and we have $750 profit until now, and another one 1000. Okay, and let's have a look a little bit on binbotpro, what is happening with binbotpro. Let's see here, we have another trade, it's open. Let me close everything here, so we don't have any active robot, as you can see. And let's see here on the brokers page on Binary Cent, we have one trade which is, so you remember that we started this trading session on 600 on 6,200 and something, and now we have 5,527 in our account, and obviously we are losing with this particular trading software. So let's have a look on closed trades. So we have 2 trades closed, one is in the money, but as you can see the order size here it's $600. So one is here I lost $600. This is a winning trade, but overall we are losing money. So let's have a look here what's happening with this one. It's Australian dollar US dollar, which is a put, and we are out of the money. As you can see, the trade is going up. Let's see what's happening with CryptoMaster Bot 2, and all the trades are closed, and we have $250 profit in today's trading session. As you can see here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, we have 7 trades, and 4 are in the money and 3 are out of the money. So we have $250 profit, which that means we are on profit. And let's see what will happen with the binbotpro. Let's see if this one will finish on profit or not. Overall, at the end of the trading session, we should be on profit, not out of the money, which is the best thing. Now regarding those 2 trading softwares, maybe the binbotpro it's easier to use because you have to click only 2 buttons. You have to choose a robot, which is in order of profitability here, and click on the run button and it will do all the job. But for me, I'm not interested to be easy to use. I'm interested to make money with it. So if I will not make money with a particular trading software, it is bad. So let's see what will happen with CryptoMaster Bot 2. For today's trading session, we have $250. Let's have a look here to see what will happen with this trade. At the moment, the last trade, it is out of the money, Australian dollar US dollar, and let's see what will happen. If this one will be in the money, then we can say we have a profit with binbotpro for today. If not, we will be out of the money, and let's see how much we are losing. Let's see what will happen with this one. As you can see, here is the purchase line, and now this is the deadline, and we have just a little bit, and let's see what will happen with here we have the expiration time, but the robot choose to make a put here, a sell, and unfortunately Australian dollar US dollar, the pair is going up, not down. It should go down. It should be below this red line here in order to be in the money. Let's wait a little bit to see what will happen. CryptoMaster Bot it's working only with reliable and trusted brokers. As you can see here, Investus, you can check it online and you will see that Investus, it is a trusted and reliable broker. Let's have a look to see how this trade it will be finished with binbotpro. Let's wait a little bit. On binbotpro, as I told you, you need in order to use some robots inside of it. As you can see, for this one, recommended balance is $5,000. So if you want to use crypto at this, you can use it also with less money, but the recommended balance is $5,000. So if you don't have $5,000 in your account, it will not work for you. So for example, SMA Cross, you need $2,000. X Profit, you need $2,000. Ikimoku Crypto, $2,000. Rising East, $500. But on the other hand, with CryptoMaster Bot 2, you can start using it with $250, only $250, which is another pro for CryptoMaster Bot 2 trading software. And let's wait a little bit to see. Here should be the expiration time here on the red line, and let's wait to see what is happening. But as you can see, we are out of the money and it's continuing to go up. The trade is going up, so there is no chance to catch this trade into the money. Just 1 second to see what is happening, and it's going up, and it is a losing trade. Let's have a look here on closed. Yes, so we have 1 in the money and 2 out of the money. So we started with $6,200, 200 and something, and now we have $5,500 into our account. So it is around 700 lost with binbotpro. So this is the trading session for today. You take the conclusion and you choose which trading software you are using in 2021. I only made $250 in today's trading session with CryptoMaster Bot 2, but you can see the other videos to see the results, because all the until now I've made around $17,000 with CryptoMaster Bot 2. Just watch the other videos, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And also, if you have comments, put the comments below this video in the comment area, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.